Do you want to learn how to create a group on WhatsApp? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. On your WhatsApp mobile, on the top right, you'll see these three dots. Click on that. This is more options. You'll see new group here. You can create a new group. Or on the bottom right, you'll see this new chat icon. Click on that, and then you can create a new group by pressing on this button. Or if you are on iPhone, you need to press on the bottom, chats somewhere around here. And then on the top right, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that, and then click on new group in order to create a group. Now, let's say I press here. I can press on this new group, and then I need to add people to our group. So I can use these two, or you can also search on the top, the number or name, and then add them. If you want to remove the selected ones, you can just click here to remove it, or on the top here, you can click on one of these to remove. Once you are satisfied with the people that you've selected, you can press here on the bottom right, and then you need to enter in the group name. You can also add an emoji from the right hand side, and on the left hand side, you can add a group icon. So I'm just going to go with the group sticker, change the color. You can also add an image from Gallery AI Images, describe an image. Like I can go with this mountain lake. This is what it generated with AI. I can just click on yes, and there you go. Now it has selected that image as our group icon. You can open up disappearing messages, or you can go with the group permissions. These are all the permissions that you can enable or disable from here. Once you are done, just press on this check mark in order to create a group. And that's it. Our group has been created. Now, if you want to add a description, you can go ahead and do it from here. And you can add new members by clicking on this button. Also, you can invite via link or QR code by clicking over here. And then you can share this link to someone or in another group. And yeah, that's it. That's how to create a group on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WhatsApp related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.